Welcome back to another Solidworks tutorial part 3, downloadable PPE face shield. The links to the files will be in the description. I will include both STL and SLD files so you can download the design to your Solidworks program. Let's start by creating a sketch on this plane 2. Okay, and we're going to add a spline here, and we're going to snap somewhere about here, all the way in about that far. Press escape, and we're going to manipulate this spline a little bit, about that much, and we're just going to use a line, and we come out somewhere about here. Okay, and now we're going to mirror this whole thing over to the other end. Let's choose this entity and this, and then we mirror about there. Okay, and now let's close these lines so that we will be able to cut all the way through. Okay, right, so now go to features, go extrude, and we're going to choose through all, and then press OK. Now we're going to make a sketch on this edge here. Make a sketch. Okay, and then just select this line, and we're going to go, maybe we're not going to go all the way to the wall, just about there, and then down here we give about the same much. All right, let's close this to close these lines. Okay, right, and then let's see, maybe we can increase a bit. Right, no, we're not going to do that. Just check that. Okay, maybe add a little bit. Okay, that is perfect like that. Maybe just a bit about there, and at the bottom as well. And again, I'm just going by the eye at the moment because yeah, it don't need to be that precise. Press OK on that. However, the size is, because we did determine the size of the head, it's going to be completely perfect fit. So we're going to sweep cut all the way through on that one. So let's choose, let's exit first, exit the sketch, and we're going to go to sweep cut. Okay, and we're going to be, the program already selected the sketch automatically. So now we just need a path, and for the path it's going to be this line here. It's cut us all the way through very nicely. Perfect, exactly what I wanted. So now what we can do is, now we can add a little bit of fillets on the corners here, just a tiny bit, just to not have any sharp edges though. Maybe just select one to begin with, on both sides, maybe two. Oh, two looks better. Press OK on that. I'm going to add the fillets on this side as well. Okay, 2 is perfect. Okay, and then we're going to sketch on this end here. Let's exit this sketch. We're going to sketch, not edit sketch. exit the sketch. Okay, so it's not, because it's not a flat surface, that's why it won't let me sketch. But for that reason, we're going to create a sketch on this plane. Okay, and we really don't need to do this, but I'm still going to make this cut. I'm going to choose a center cut, snap from there, from this end. Okay, and snap about that. Right. And I'm just gonna go to Futures, extrude that cut, and I'm gonna go cutting this way. Perfect. Okay, and then of course what I should have done is cut extrude both ways, which I will do. So I'm just gonna go back, Control Z, and I'm gonna go to cut extrude again, and I'm gonna go both ways, mid plane, right, all the way through, and now we have cut. Perfect. Okay, so now what I want now is I want to make some actually I want to make these here a bit thicker, or should I keep it this way? You know what, we're gonna keep it this way. So I want to make some post that going up on this section here. So let's start by sketching on this side, this face, sketch, and we're going to create some sort of lines. Okay, so we're going to choose a spline, and we're going to snap from this end to this end, and we're just going to pull it up. We're going to set this as vertical. That is perfect. And we're going to mirror this over to this end. So mirror, select entity, mirror about here. Perfect. Okay, and then we're just going to offset this line that you just created. We're going to reverse it, add about 1, maybe 2. Let's try 2.5. Okay, 2.5 is perfect. Right. And then now we are going to take some circles, and we're going to add some circles about here, and we're going to add some circles about here, and we're going to mirror this circle over to this end. So just as exit, hold down Control, select the other circle, make the two equal, right, and press OK. And now let's make a mirror. We still have a center line here. So mirror, we're going to select the circle, and we're going to mirror about there, and that is perfect. Alright, so now we're going to trim out what we don't need. That one there, that one there. Okay, let's do it different way. Okay, let's trim out the inside of the circles first. Okay, perfect. Trim out that one. Let's trim out that one. Let's trim out that one. This one here, and finally that one there. Oh, hold on a second. That's not how I imagined it. Okay, so what we need is this inside part here. So let's snap that, snip that. So let's trim out these lines. This one, this one, this one, this one. We're going to need these inside parts. This one here, this one here, this one. Okay. And I'm wondering if, yep, that's perfect. And now what we're going to do is we're going to extrude this all the way up. So we're going to extrude, and we're going to go all the way to the next, up to next, and it will edit exactly on that surface up here. Okay, so press OK on that, and that added our solid surface right where we need it. Okay, so what we need we need to do now is create some cuts all the way through on this one, so the shield can come through, right? So let's sketch on this plane, and we're going to offset this line. So we're going to offset it, and we're going to choose about, let's see, about 5, and we're going to reverse that, and then this line as well, and let's say maybe 4.5 would look better. 4.5. Yes, it's more closer to the wall. Right, perfect. Check that. And we're going to make another offset, this line, and we're going to make that 7, reverse direction. Okay, it's going to put it there. Yeah, let's make it about 8. Okay, 8 looks good. Right, and then check that one. Okay, and we're going to close this line up here, somewhere about there. Let's go perpendicular to this line here. Okay, and we're going to mirror this closed line over to the other end. Okay, here's a mirror. Entities to mirror is this line here. I want to mirror over there. Okay, press OK on that. And let's trim away the lines that we don't need. Okay, that is perfect. Alright, and now we're just going to do an extruded cut all the way through. Press OK on that. Okay, right. Okay, so okay, perfect. So now what we need to do is we got the hardware part, which is 3D printable, and then and I think it's pretty much done, right? So let's end here, and then we're gonna come back and create the shield that comes through, and the fabric rubber band that goes around, and the cushion for the forehead. Okay, see you again.